All right, so this is how it started. I had a photography channel, not this channel. I had a photography channel that I posted one or two videos on, and people were subscribing left and right. Before you knew it, I had 1,000 subscribers. I had 2,000, 3,000. I mean, the channel was blowing up. And she's like, hold up. All those subscribers you got, and you ain't got your channel monetized? So the next month, I'm on YouTube and I'm watching the money go up, go up, and go up, and go up, and go up. And I'm be honest with you, I could not believe it. I'm sitting there watching the money go up and go up and go up and go up. I remember walking with my sister and this other girl, and we were walking, and my name was on my shirt, on the back of my shirt, on the back of it. Yeah. And this girl said, "Try Moses," and I jumped. Like, because people really didn't know the face, but my name was on the shirt. So even at the conference, working the conference and going around taking pictures and stuff, people saw the shirt and they knew the name. I remember going to the bathroom and I was waiting to go to the bathroom and I came out of the bathroom and there was a line of people I thought was going to the bathroom. The line was there to talk to me. Ain't that crazy? The line, it was a line of women there to talk to me. And when I say talk to me, I ain't talking about like to get with me, to conversate with me. YouTube demonetized the channel because the content